the federal capital, Islamabad, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has arrived at the Prime Minister's house alongside the First Lady and, of course, Prime Minister Imran Khan, who is accompanying the Turkish President. The Turkish President, a short while ago, arrived in Pakistan on a two-day official visit. He was received by the Prime Minister Imran Khan at the Noor Khan Air Base. From there onwards, the Prime Minister personally drove the Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan towards their destination, that is the Prime Minister's house, and both the dignitaries have now arrived. The Turkish President here will be given a guard of honor by a smartly turned out contingent of the Pakistani Armed Forces. Now, these are live images on your screens from the Prime Minister's house in Islamabad. You can see Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has arrived at the Prime Minister's house, where he was just given a guard of honor. National anthems of Turkey and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan were played on the occasion. Now the Prime Minister is introducing the Turkish President to the Federal Cabinet that comprises of Defence Minister Pervez Khattak, Federal Minister for Communications Murad Said, Minister for Power Umar Ayub, Minister for Revenue Hamad Azhar, Advisor to the Prime Minister on Finance Dr. Hafiz Sheikh, Advisor to the Prime Minister on Commerce Abdul Razak Daud, the Advisor on Overseas Pakistanis Zulfi Bukhari, and the Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Information and Broadcasting Dr. Firdaus Ashikawan, who is also present on the occasion. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan a short while ago arrived in Pakistan on a two-day official visit, where he was welcomed by the Prime Minister Imran Khan. He was welcomed at the Noor Khan Air Base. Then both the dignitaries departed from the Noor Khan Air Base, made their way to the Prime Minister's house in Islamabad, where the Turkish President was given the guard of honor. And now you can see the Turkish President alongside Prime Minister Imran Khan has been introduced to the Federal Cabinet, and both the dignitaries now make their way towards their destination. Turkish President, whilst in visit to Pakistan, would be holding separate meetings with the Prime Minister Imran Khan, the President of Pakistan, Dr. Arif Alvi. He would also be addressing the joint session of the Parliament tomorrow, and a number of agreements and MOUs are also expected to be signed during the visit of the Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan to Pakistan.